In this video, you will learn how to solve this question on variation that is given to us. This question number 10 of the West African Examination Council SSCE exam question that was given for 2023. If you want a full playlist of question number 1 to 50, don't forget to check the description section of this video for the link to that playlist. The question says m varies jointly as the square of n and the square root of q. If m is equal to 24 when n is equal to 2 and q is equal to 4, find m when m is equal to 5 and q is equal to 9. Now, to solve this question, we have to consider the variation that is given to us. The question says it's a joint variation. Now, how do we link a joint variation? A joint variation, from that question, you will come to see that we are told that capital M jointly varies as the square of n multiplied by the square root of what? Of q. Good. And that is the relationship holding these three parameters. Now, if we change that value of proportionality sign with a constant sign, you'll find out that m will be equal to n squared multiplied by the square root of q and multiplied by k. So that will simply give us m to be equal to k n squared multiplied by the square root of q. And what does that simply tells us? That simply tells us that the k has replaced the proportionality sign. So we'll have m to be equal to k multiplied by n squared multiplied by the square root of q. Now, from that expression, you'll come to see that we are told that if m is equal to 24 and n is equal to 2 and q is equal to 4, we'll then look for the value of k. So from that expression, we are told that m is equal to 24 and we are told that n is equal to what? N is equal to 2 and our q is equal to 4. So given all these parameters, all we need to do is to substitute them into that value, and that will give us the value of m. So if we have our m to be equal to, that will give us the value of our k, n squared multiplied by the square root of q. So this will give us 24 to be equal to k multiplied by 2 squared and then multiplied by the square root of 4. So the solution will give us 24 equal to 4k multiplied by 2. And this will give us what? 8k to be equal to what? 24. So the value of our k from that point will be equal to 24 divided by 8. And 24 divided by 8, the value of k will be equal to 24 divided by 8 is going to give us 3. So the value of k is equal to 3. Now, to find the value of, remember the question, you are asked to find the value of m when n is equal to 5 and q is equal to 9. Now, to find the value of that, we need to find the relationship holding m, n, and q. And having seen the value of k, the relationship holding these three expressions will now be what? M equal to 3n squared multiplied by the square root of what? Q. And this is the relationship holding m, n and what and q, because our k is equal to 3. Now from that expression you come to see that they are asked to find m when what n is equal to 5 and q is equal to 9. So if n is equal to 5 and our q is equal to 9, we can simply find what m. So the value of our m will be equal to 3 multiplied by 5 square multiplied by the square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is going to give us what? We'll have our m to be equal to 3 multiplied by 25, because 5 square is 25 multiplied by what? 3. And this will give us 3 times 3 is 9 multiplied by 25. 9 multiplied by 25 will give us what? The value of m will now be equal to 9 times 5 is going to give us 45. You write 5. 9 times 2 is equal to 18 plus 4, and that will give us what? 22. So the value of m is equal to 222. Now, do we have that in the option? Let's check. Do we have that in the option? That is option D, and the answer is 225. So you see, this is how you solve question like this when given this question. This is an objective question, and you're not expected to spend no less than 30, 35, 40 seconds on this question, and off you go to question number 11. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and colleagues. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solution, SSE solution. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.